Hello and thank you for joining us on TVC News this hour. Kogi State government says it is opening 42 internally displaced persons camps to shelter hundreds of victims displaced by floods. The floods triggered by rising water levels from the river Niger and Benue have submerged several communities in Ibaji and Kogi government areas. Michael Ila reports.
At an advocacy meeting with critical stakeholders, the Executive Secretary of the State Emergency Management Agency, Itima, confirmed the opening of the camps. He said the move comes as the federal government issued a warning of heavy rainfall that could worsen flooding and submerge communities in the state. Already, residents of 5 communities in Ibaji and Kogi local government areas, including Ota, Ofogbo, Itima, and Owara, have been forced from their homes, calling for urgent government relief.
Now, primary school, many of us go to sleep. Houses don't break, collapse. Food, water don't condemn everything, don't collapse the farm, all. I beg may God help us, assist us.
We have advised our people to move from the lower ground to the upper ground. So, despite it has happened like this, we can't deny them that they are not our people because of the IDP camps we have here. By tomorrow, we are going to make sure they are open and then it will be accessible to everybody. Even though we are opening them, we are going to do some profiling, and those profiling is for us to know to have the accurate data.
In the Ganaja axis of Ajaokuta, an area with a history of flooding, residents have presented a 5-point charter of demands to mitigate the impact of the disaster.
One is the rehabilitation of the Yamayama Road in Ganaja. Secondly is also the rehabilitation of the primary health center. And thirdly is also the reconstruction of the IDP camps. And then fourthly is also the provision of a portable clean water in strategic locations across the Ganaja community. And lastly, which is the fifth one, is the dredging of the river Niger and Benue.
Experts warn that heavy rains and dam releases could worsen flooding, displacing residents and destroying farmlands. As water levels continue to rise across high-risk areas, the Kogi State government says it promises to scale up emergency support as more communities come under threat. Michael Ila, TVC News, Owara.